single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Jackson. So today we're gonna be showing you how to cook Chinese BBQ ribs. First we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate it with the marinade sauce. We mix all the marinade sauce together. We're gonna cut the ribs and then we're gonna mix everything together and we're gonna pop it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. You can do it overnight if you want, but here we go. Let's get to cooking. So, ready, Jackson? This is half a cup of soy sauce.
I can do it.
Yeah, you're gonna mix this up with this fork. Just stir it for that, okay? This is half a cup of cooking wine. Half a cup of honey.
Honey is my favorite.
Oh yeah, you love honey?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta mix it up.
It's sticky.
Yeah.
I like sticky things.
Then we got half a cup of hoisin sauce. Stir it up, Jackson. And then we got 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Stir it up.
It looks like good. It looks like good.
Yeah. Okay. Stir it up, Jackson. And then we got.
And what we do now?
Let's have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder.
Stir it. It's a lot of toy.
And then we have 1 tablespoon of 5 spice. We call this ngũ vị hương. Ngũ vị hương.
My favorite more.
This is Chinese. They use this a lot, the 5 spice. So we're gonna mix it all up. Mix it up all good.
I can smash it for you.
Okay, we finished mixing. Like that.
Okay.
You good?
I smash it for you.
Yeah, you smash it.
Yeah, I smash it.
Okay, now we set this aside. Now we'll start cutting up the ribs. Here's the ribs.
Ribs.
Baby back ribs.
It's my favorite.
Is it your favorite?
Yeah.
It's so good, huh?
Yeah, so good.
Okay, now you're gonna bust the knife out. I like to use the bone side of the ribs so I can see where to cut at. So we're gonna cut from, separate each ribs individually like this.
I'm standing one leg.
You standing one leg?
Yeah. Not off. And doing patient.
Okay, after you cut it, oh, we got a Ziploc bag here. We're gonna put all the ribs in there.
Oh, ribs.
Yep. Pour all the sauce in. Just like that.
Okay, Dad. We're gonna go what I need to.
And then close it up. We're gonna mix it. Swirl it all up. Mash it, mash it. Daddy smash it. You got no gloves on. You were using Daddy's hand to smash it up. Don't use it. Don't touch it. Okay? You wait. Okay, now we finish. Now we're gonna set this in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
Or you can leave it overnight if you want. Doesn't matter. Whenever dinner time, then we'll start baking it. So right now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it sit. We'll be right back. After 3 hours of marinating this, we're ready to bake it. Pam, spread it out evenly. And then put the ribs on. These ribs, bone face down. You will save the juice for later. Save this, marinate for later. We'll cover it up. This way, the ribs will get nice and tender. It won't dry up. So after 1 hour of baking, the meat's all tenderized. So we'll take the sauce. We lay it on, just like that. I'm going to do it to all the ribs, nice and evenly. After you spread it nice and evenly, put it back in, uncover. Put it on broil for like 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, put the last glaze on. I want to put sugar, honey glazed. We broil for 1 more minute, and then it should be done. So what's up, guys? Finished products right here. Deliciousness. Let's see the first bite. Full of flavor. Nice, tender. Pulls right off the bone. So good. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you push the subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.